Hi, welcome to Telugu and Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we'll be making a different kind of starter. So we have lamb empanadas today. The empanadas means encrusted or stuffed inside or deep fried or baked. So today we'll be using some lamb mince to make our empanadas. We'll serve our empanadas with some mint mayonnaise. So let's get started. So now let's go through the ingredients. So for the mixture, first we'll use olive oil, then we have garlic, celery, chopped onion, then we have roasted cumin powder, then we have chopped leeks, we have some salt, we have crushed pepper and some mint leaves. Now for the dough, we will require around a cup of flour. This is refined flour. Then we have around 30 grams of butter. Then we have around 30 grams of cheese here. Then again for the stuffing, we will need some crushed pepper and salt and around 30 grams of water for the dough. So let's start by making the empanada mixture. Heat around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now oil is hot. Now we will be adding around 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped celery and 1 tablespoon of chopped leeks. Now mix this well. Just saute this lightly for around 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. You will see all the vegetables inside, they will start leaving an aroma out of it. Now we add the lamb mince to it. Now we need to cook this lamb till it is totally dry. We cannot have any moisture in it since we will be filling this in a pastry. On a medium-low heat, this will take around 10 to 12 minutes till all the lamb mince has been cooked and the water has been dried off. It's almost been 7 to 8 minutes. Now we'll season our lamb with some salt, some pepper, just a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and just a handful of mint leaves. We'll just crush the mint leaves and mix it into the mixture. Now cook the mixture till the entire moisture has been dried off. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. Now as you see, most of the moisture has been evaporated. The mixture has become almost dried. So just check the seasoning once. If you feel you have enough seasoning, now you can turn off the gas. We'll allow this mixture to cool for some time and then we'll add some grated processed cheese or Amul cheese if you have to this mixture. Now you can switch off the gas and once the mixture is a little warm, you can add the grated Amul cheese into it. So we'll start the empanada dough. We have around 100 grams of refined flour. We will take around 3 grams of salt. And then we have around 30 grams of soft unsalted butter. Now we need to combine the butter and the flour together till the butter is incorporated into it. So you can crumble the flour like this so that the butter is nicely incorporated into it and you will get a nice flaky pastry. Our flour, salt and butter is nicely combined now, and we'll add around 20 to 30 ml of water to make it into a nice soft dough. So the dough for our empanada is ready now. So we'll just allow it to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, we'll finish our empanada mixture. So our lamb empanada mixture is ready. Now we'll grate around 2 tablespoons of processed Amul cheese into it. Whenever you are adding cheese to your mixture, always keep in mind that your mixture is not too hot. It should be either warm or you can cool it down. Now we'll mix this nicely. And keep this aside. Now our dough has been resting for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll start making into a round thin sheet, and we'll cut this using this cutter. This cutter is easily available in any cake shop, the shop which usually has ingredients to make cake and all. So it is easily available. Now I'll show you how do we roll this. Now we'll divide the dough into small portions and roll it into a dough. Make sure you roll it tightly so you get a nice round shape. Now just dust this dough in a little bit of flour and press it using your palm. Now sprinkle a little more flour and we'll now start rolling it. So the purpose of rolling this dough is you need to make it round like a chapati. Even if you feel that you cannot make nice proper round shape, it's okay, as we will be cutting it with a cutter. So now our dough is rolled. Now you can cut this dough with this cutter. Just in case you don't have a cutter, you can also use small katori to make round sizes like this. Now we'll just dip this into a maida and now start cutting. Once you place the cutter onto the sheet, just press it once with your palm and then rotate it clockwise. So your one sheet is ready. You can do this similar to all the sheets that you require. Try to keep cutting close to the cut sheet so that you get maximum number of round cut sheets. Our empanada dough is ready. It needs to be this thick. Now we'll show you how to stuff this one. So we'll just take around a teaspoon and a little bit of more stuffing. Once this is done, you just place it down on the board, take a little bit of water and try to seal the ends. The water will help you to retain the mixture inside and the empanadas will not open up while frying. Instead of water, you could also use some egg wash to seal the sides. Now just turn it to half moon and start closing it. If you feel the mixture is coming out, you just, with the help of your fingers, just push it inside and start sealing the ends. This is how, once your empanadas are sealed, it will look like. So again, we take around a teaspoon of mixture and a little more. Now take a little bit of water, try to seal it through the edges of the dough. Now we'll fold it into half. So you can start sealing the dough from one side. One important note for this is whenever you're making the dough, make sure once you have cut it, we need to keep it in the chiller for like 5 to 10 minutes till the dough is little firm. If you keep the dough out for a longer time, it will be very soft and be difficult to handle it. Now to finish this, we would require a fork and little bit extra flour for dusting. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour onto your empanadas and with your fork try to press it like this. So now, as you can see, the edges are nicely sealed. So now we'll start making the mint mayo for the lamb empanadas. For that, we require a handful of mint. You can put it in the blender or a food processor. A pinch of salt, some pepper, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, store-bought veg mayonnaise. If you like your dressing to be a little more thinner, you can add 2-3 cubes of ice cubes to it. Now we'll blend the sauce. So now our mint sauce is ready. We'll just take it out in a bowl. Our mint sauce is ready. Now we'll start frying the empanadas. Fry your empanadas on a medium high flame, or else the cheese inside will start coming out. Now our empanadas are slowly turning golden brown in color. We'll just cook this more for around 2 minutes till it's completely golden brown, and then we'll take it out. Now our empanadas are nice and golden brown. Now we'll start taking out. We have kept a paper on the plate so that all the excess oil will be drained off on the paper. Our lamb empanadas are ready. Our mint sauce is ready. Now we'll do the plating. Our lamb empanada and mint sauce is ready to serve.